Hello, good afternoon, Kevin.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Pretty good, and you?
Me too.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
What's wrong with Casper?
He says that he lost his handbag
Okay, where did he lose it?
in his company.
Okay, what color is his handbag?
Red and white.
Where did he buy it?
In that shop beside the restaurant
When did he buy it?
2 months ago.
What's the matter with Crystal?
She has missed the bus.
She has missed the bus. Oh, where's she going now?
She will go to the Suzhou.
Is that her first time there?
No, the third town.
The third time. When did she go to Suzhou last time?
I'm not sure. Maybe 2 months ago.
What's wrong with David? What's wrong with David? He looks pretty sad.
He has hurt himself.
Where did he hurt himself?
When he cuts the vegetables, he hurt his finger.
What does David do? What's his occupation?
He's a doctor.
He's a doctor?
Yes.
Did he work yesterday?
No. Yesterday is Sunday.
Yesterday was.
Yesterday was Sunday.
Pretty good. Now it's your turn. What's that? What's
No,
wrong?
Mary is so happy. What's wrong with Mary?
Mary is so sad. It's better, okay? Mary is sad.
Mary said, What's wrong?
What's wrong?
What's wrong with Mary?
I think she has hurt herself.
What caused that?
She fell down from the van. Oh, I'm sorry. She fell down from the bicycle.
Can
she?
Can she ride the bicycle now?
No, I don't think so. She can ride it when she's recovers.
What's the matter with Peter?
He says he lost his wallet. He said he's lost his wallet.
Where did he lose it?
Where did he lose it?
Where did he lose it?
He lost it in that mall, in that shopping mall.
Is there much money in the wallet?
Is there a lot of money in the wallet? Is there a lot of money?
Is there a lot of money in the wallet?
I don't think so. There's a little money in the wallet.
What's the matter with Alice?
Alice? Okay, that's fine. She said that she's being scolded by her boss. Alice.
Did she do something worry?
Did she do something wrong?
Did she do something wrong?
I'm not sure. Maybe she failed to accomplish the task. So her boss is very angry. What does she do?
What does she do?
She's a secretary in the company. Okay, pretty good. We move on to the second part. It's called a jam. Just a minute. Today's topic is the Yangtze River. Are you ready?
Yes, let's
Go.
The Yangtze River is famous for its amazing length and the importance of human. It is not only the longest river in China, but also the third longest river in the world, with a length about 6,300 kilometers long. The Yangtze River provides water fish and other food for people. It is also the most. It is also it is one of the important channel of China for transport. It is so important to us, so we should protect it by doing something worry like stop or polluted water and throw rubbish in it.
Good job, Kevin. You're amazing.